In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a list of tables for your dissertation, thesis, or whatever document that you need that has tables in it. And similar to making a table of contents, which I do have a video for, you do need to make a style for your table titles. So we're going to go down to an example that I have here. So I have an APA format, table 1, and then I just titled it the first table. So I'm going to highlight this and open the Styles pane, which is located on the Home ribbon. And then I'm going to create a new style and just call it Table Title. Okay, and I'm going to press OK. Now you'll see here that the current style is still normal rather than Table Title, so you have to make sure that you actually highlight or click Table Title. And so now the current style is Table Title. Okay. Now you may have an issue where it actually changes the title here. It'll remove the italics. So let's see if that happens if I click it. No, well, okay, I'm getting lucky. But if it does happen, literally all you have to do is highlight this and then italicize it again. And then you're all set to go. But since we have that, and I am going to warn you, there's something that I didn't do so that it goes on one line, but I want to show you what happens here. So I'm going to go to References, and instead of clicking Table of Contents, I'm going to insert Table of Figures. Now it automatically has figure selected. I'm going to click Table, and then the format that's automatically selected is just fine. Having all of these clicked is perfect too. If you don't want hyperlinks, which is where you can click on the title in the table of in the list of tables, and then it'll take you to that table, then just make sure you don't have that clicked. You're going to go to Options, and you see the style that's being used is heading 1. Obviously, we have a different style. We want to use Table Title or whatever you use. Press OK. I'm not going to modify anything because I like the way this table looks. Okay, and again, let's go back here to Table. Make sure. Okay, and press OK. Now, do you see how the table and then, or table 1 and then the actual title are in 2 separate lines? We obviously don't want that. So, what you have to do to ensure that doesn't happen, I'm actually going to click on Command 8, and you'll see that there's a paragraph symbol here. So you need to get rid of that. And in order to get rid of that, I'm going to backspace here. You need a soft return. And so what you have to do is press Shift and return. And do you see there's a different symbol here? That indicates a soft return rather than if I just pressed return, that's a hard return. So again, a soft return is Shift return. All right, so now, and again, we make sure that this is still in Table Title. Perfect. It wouldn't have showed up in this if it wasn't. You're going to right click, Update Field, Update Entire Table, OK, and there you go. Now you have your list of tables. You just have to change the rest of your table titles. You highlight them and make sure you click on Table Title. Now again, if for some reason you click on Table Title and it removes the italics, what's going to happen is when you update it, it'll show up without the italics. So if that's what happens, don't even worry about like changing the style or trying to fix it. It's fine. You have Table Title or whatever you named your style. It's fine. You just need this italicized. Command I, or just click that I right there. Just leave that. Come back up here. Update field. Update entire table. And there you go. And then again, you have that hyperlink and you can go straight to it. Very easy.